Good morning, students. Once again, you are most welcome in our English class. Today we are going to learn about speech writing. Whenever we are hearing the word speech, most of the time we heard this word in our class. When our class teacher enter in a class at any of the occasion, he or she are asking to us how many students are interested to participate on this topic for the speech competition on this occasion. So most of the time we are avoiding that as because we are getting difficulties to write that speech, to speak that speech. So for giving the speech, for writing the speech, few points are very much important. Like we heard that lot of the students are participating at the inter-school level of competitions and representing our school. They are not participating, but they are winning also. So what we are thinking, how we can write that much quality of the speech. So first we come to know what is the speech, how we are going to write this speech. So that will be making our speech sensible and a good quality. Like that, if we are writing a speech, we are arranging that in a proper way. So that could be much more effective than what we are writing usually. So let's see what is speech writing and how we are going to write an effective speech. First thing, speaking at occasion requires planning and preparations. As we know, whenever we are plan and do the preparation for anything, any of the work, we are getting much more better than result what we did innocently. So always we have to do the planning and preparation for the speech, what we want to speak. So we have to do the planning for that first. So the next topic is all good speech requires shape. As we know, whenever we are enter to the market to purchase any of the things, we saw if the product with a good finishing, we come to know that is the much more beautiful than the other products. So finishing, that final touch up will be much important for any other product. The same like that, the shape of speech should be better. That could be a must require for a good speech. Now if you are talking about the speech, so what is the shape of that speech? That means in what sense we are representing our speech. Like here we have the three main points. We have to start with the introduction, then we have to write body, and at the last we have to do the conclusion. If we rearrange that, like first we did the body, then introducing our speech, so is it effective? No. So what we have to do, we have to first prepare that in proper way. We have to do the introduction, then body, and at the last we have to do the conclusion. So let's learn in detail how we are going to write an effective speech. So whenever we are writing this speech, that could be in a proper order. How we are going to do the introduction, how the way we are maintaining the body of that speech, and how we are going to do the conclusion of that. Which kinds of the languages we are going to use in that, which kinds of the words we have to select, whether we have to use the quotes and the slogans in our speech. These all questions should be we have in our mind. So let's learn how we are going to frame a good kind of a speech. So here we have steps to draft a good speech. Here we have the various kinds of steps, or we can say points, which are helpful to us to prepare a good kind of speech. So we have to start from the introduction, or we can say salutations. Introduction means we have to do the start of our speech, or we have to do the salutation. That is most important. like respected or honorable. Such kinds of the words we have to use for that. Otherwise, we cannot directly start our speech. Or we can say, I feel indeed privileged. Or opening with the quotes can also help. So these are the few things we have to keep in our mind whenever we are doing the introduction. The next one, introduce the topic. After salutations, we have to introduce the topic. At what topic we are standing to deliver our speech. So how we are going to introduce the topic? So we can like, I am here to express my view on what topic we have to take in. That we have to mention in that. Whatever we topic we have to mention in that. Like suppose we are giving the speech on Republic Day. So I am here to express my view on Republic Day. This way we have to do the introduction of topic. Or easily we can say today's topic is Republic Day. So in that sense we can introduce our topic, but that is most important. We have to do that. The next is that start off with the main body of speech. Our main body of speech should be bifurcated into the three parts: strongest point, weakest point, and second strongest point. What is that? Means what could be the strongest point? We have to start with that, right? Get the audience on your side by starting off with the strongest point. Means we have to take the attention of the audience with our speech. We have to mention our strongest point. Then in the weakest point, what we have to do? Put your weakest point in the middle. That we have to put in the middle between these two strongest points. And at the last, end with your second strongest argument. Reel them back in for personal touch. In that sense, we have to cover our weakest point in between these two strongest points. So that could be much more effective for a good speech. The next one is vocabularies. Which kinds of vocabularies we have to use? Use appropriate vocabularies or use slogans or quotes. If we have any of the slogans or quotes related to our topic, definitely we have to mention that in our speech. And the words, selection of words should be simple as well as related to the topic, appropriate. We have to use that. The next one is conclusion. How we have to conclude our speech. Leave them with a question or thought of implications. How we have to leave them with the questions? That we have to frame according to our topic at what we are delivering the speech. Like as I said, we are delivering the speech at the Republic Day. So we have to ask them a question. What do you think? In the real sense, do we are independent? Do we are free? In such kinds of societies we are living, every day at the news channels we are hearing lot of the crimes like black marketing, corruptions, rapes, that robbery, that all things we are hearing at the news channels daily. So what do you think? Do we are free? Do we have the freedom in the real sense? Leave the audience with that question to do the implications on that. Always we have to do the conclusion regarding that according to our topic at what we are delivering our speech. The next one is thanking the audience. Do not forget to thank your audience in the end, as because audience is listening to us, as because they are listening carefully. So because of that we are able to deliver our view, our thoughts. So always at the end we have to thank to our audience. We should never forget that. The next most important point is the language. Why it is most important? As because in our audience lot of the people are sitting and they are from the various backgrounds. they are not much more, we can say, sensible like that. So our language should be always simple and sweet. So language should be keep it as simple as possible. So if we are keeping our language simple, so that could be able to understandable to each and every person, those who are sitting and listening to our speech. So language also must important in our speech. The next important point is that is transitions. Transitions means what kind of the one thing should be relating to the another, that should we know. We have to properly do the transitions within our speech, how we have to jump from one topic to the another, how we are going to relate that. So in that way, like as I said, we are delivering the speech on the Independence Day or Republic Day. So how we are going to relate that, link that Independence Day or Republic Day with the today's current affair like black marketing, rapes, robbery, corruptions, these all things, how we are going to relate that. So that should be most important in our speech. So if we are following these few points properly in our speech, definitely we are getting a good kind of speech. So whenever we are writing this speech, we have to start with the introduction, and these all things what we learn, we have to mention in our speech. Then only it is possible to us to get a good kind of speech what we are hearing. If you are preparing a good kind of speech, that is much more effective. So let's see an example of the such kinds of the effective speech. Example is write a speech on World Environment Day. Now we have to see how you are going to prepare a speech on a World Environment Day. See, a very good morning to Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. Here we did the salutations. Today we are here to celebrate World Environment Day. Means we introduced our topic. A day which is specially celebrated to know and solve all the environmental issues, as we all know that it is being celebrated for years worldwide with a lot of enthusiasm in order to create awareness and bring positive changes in the environment. That is the first part of our body. Here we did the introduction of our topic, as well as we mention our the first important point, strongest point, what we have to do for the improving the awareness of the Environment Day. It is celebrated annually on 5th of June since 1973. It aims to engage and draw the attention of millions of people, including political and health organizations across the world, to make new plans and implement them accordingly. Means here we are talking about that we have to take the attention of the various millions of the peoples, including politicians and the various other organizations, health organizations peoples, regarding the World Environment Day, importance of the environment. It is very necessary to address the issues like wastage and losses of food, increasing global warming, deforestation, pollution, industrializations, etc., in order to control the negative environmental changes. Now this is also most important point we mention in our speech, what we have to do to prevent that global warming, to the industrializations, to the deforestation, pollutions, what we have to do, how these all are affecting our environment. We need to do something to reduce the rate of climate change. There are the 4 R. What are these 4 R? Techniques, reduce, reuse, recycle, and refuse can be very effective in lessening the impact of our inhuman activities over our natural ecosystems. Like the first one, if you are going to reduce, we have to reduce the pollutions. We are going to reduce such kind of things that are polluting the environment. Reuse, we have to keep the habit of reusing, recycle the things, and refuse what is affecting to our environment. So these four are most important. That is the second important point in our speech we have to mention. Our positive steps will really help in solving environment issues in the near futures. So whatever we are taking the positive steps, that will really help us in our future to reduce the, or we can say solving the environmental issues what we have. Together we can, together we will. So it is a kind of slogan also, and like the thing we are keeping in the mind of the audience to do the implications. Together we can, agar if we do together, so we can will. Healthy environment, healthy future. The slogans what we use related to our topic is very much suitable to our topic. Healthy environment, healthy future. If we have the healthy environment, future will be healthy. And at the last we have to do the thank you to our audience. So in this sense we have to do the good kind of speech and mention all the point what we learn. So we saw how we can prepare short and simple speech on the World Environment Day. The same way, if you are getting any of the topic, you can prepare same kind of the good kind of the speech. So you prepare a speech on this slogan. Here you can see we have a slogan, Clean Mumbai, Green Mumbai. You have to prepare a good kind of speech and include all the points we learned today regarding Clean Mumbai and Green Mumbai. So this way, by using all the points what we learned, you have to prepare a good kind of speech, and that you have to submit in your group on the Friday. Thank you so much.